to my channel. I'm just kidding. Welcome back to Jennifer's channel. Keep watching if you like my wig. She's gonna show you how to make this wig. It's very easy, and I love my wig. Bye.
Yeah. I asked for life, you gave me eternal, give me forever. Overdose. I asked for money, you gave me power, made me a blessing. Overdose.
Today I'm going to use this hair from Noble, and it's called Gold Super Bohemian. It's a synthetic hair which is less expensive, and it comes in different lengths, 20, 18 and 16. We'll be using only one pack of this weave on, and the hair is so beautiful. It feels like human hair. In this tutorial you will need a mannequin and stand, scissors, needle, thread and wig cap. We'll leave a link below so that you guys can easily get the materials. I must say that if you stay in Nigeria or any African country, AliExpress should be like your best friend, like your very good friend, because most of all this material are less expensive on AliExpress. I don't really know about other stuffs, but when it comes to hair materials, I know that they are very less expensive. I really love this particular wig cap because of its elasticity. It can fit into any head. So yeah, put the needle through the cap and tie the knot twice. Just continue doing so until you're about to reach the front.
Oh yeah! Providing oxygen for 8 billion people, what you put to them. Overdose, overdose. I asked for love, you gave me you. You gave me a son,
Okay, for the folding over method or technique, you just open up the double track, sew the first weft and take the second weft to the end and turn it over, then sew the both together. Keep sewing until when you have sewed up to 4 to 5 lines at the back before you start sewing the weave on around the cap, just to create the invisible closing.
overdose. Hey, come on! Overdose, overdose.
So for this wig cap, we started by sewing the 20 inches and then 18 and 16 because we really want the hair to actually look a bit longer.
So much wealth, so much like good health. I could never ask for more. I could never ask for more, you know?
If you haven't watched any of my wig tutorial, do so because it will really help you to understand how to sew a wig.
Ooh, yeah, yeah. Overdose. I asked for money. I asked for money. You gave me power. So much power. You made me a blessing. You made me a blessing, yeah. Overdose. Ooh, providing oxygen for 8 billion people. But you put to it. You put to the overdose. I asked for love. I asked for love. You gave.
So I just want to use this opportunity to say thank you so much for 16K subscribers, and thanks for all the support and comments. It means a lot to me. I know I have been away for like a month now. It's because of the Easter celebration, so much work in the salon, but now I'm fully back, and by the grace of God I will be uploading videos back to back. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below and join the family. We'll be glad to have you as part of us because we have so much to learn here.
Leave fluids in my life, you made me bigger, you made me faster. I occupy space like matter, and plus you made back by the matter. You did my back like a backpack. I needed space to put my Nike shoes, and you gave me your car park. Like twice, you were too good, like you were twice right. I write lines, not because it's the Nina X or rap lines, but I do this so I get all yeah from my life. Plus, and you can't bust my pipelines. I do this for you, this God the goodest. The truth is, even Buddhists can't boo this.
you get to the middle of the cap, just keep sewing round until you are done with the ribbon and until there is no more space on the cap to sew on. We've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to share this video to friends and family. Subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.